Standard 2 English Unit 2 I am lucky. Listen and recite this poem. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. If I were a myna in a tree, I would be thankful that I could sing. If I were a fish in the sea, I would be thankful that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. So, I just think I am lucky to be me, not you, but me. If I were an elephant, I would be thankful that I can raise my trunk. If I were a kangaroo, I would try to hop right up to the moon. If I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 arms. So I just think I am lucky to be me, not you, but me. What do you think you want to be? Do you want to be like me? Or just you, just you? This poem is about the feeling of a young girl. The young girl feels if she were any other creature like butterfly, myna, fish, elephant, kangaroo, and octopus. She will be happy and thankful to God for everything she had in her life. But in the end of the poem, she thinks she is lucky for what she is. She also asks questions to the readers if they are happy and satisfied with what they have in their life and if they feel themselves lucky. Now let us learn the new word and their meanings from this story. The first word is lucky. The meaning is blessed. The second word is thankful. The meaning is filled with feelings of thanks. The third word is butterfly. The meaning is an insect with beautiful wing. Next one is wings, a feather of birds. Next word is myna, a small bird. Next word is sea. Meaning is a large water body. Next word is wriggle. The meaning is to move slowly. Next one is giggle. The meaning is to laugh loudly. The last word is glee. Meaning is happiness. Now let's know the basic words and example sentences. 1. Butterfly. An insect with bright colored wings. Example sentences. I saw a red butterfly on my way to school. The butterfly sat on the nose of my dog. Second, myna. An Asian bird with a loud noise. Example sentences. The myna was sitting on a banyan tree. Myna was perching on the top of our building. Next, fish. An aquatic animal with gills and fins. Example sentences. This lake does not have any fish in it. A fish can give millions of eggs at a time. Next word is kangaroo. A herbivorous animal with a thick tail and hind legs. Example sentences. Kangaroos carry their babies in their pouch. Kangaroos are very friendly. Next word is octopus. An aquatic animal with a soft oval body with long 8 arms. Example sentences. We have fresh grilled octopus in our menu. Octopus can do their work very quickly. Question number 1. Complete these sentences. A butterfly can fly. A myna can sing. A fish can wriggle. An elephant can raise the trunk. A kangaroo can hop. You can think. The second question is, why do you think the butterfly likes its wings? The answer is, the butterfly likes its wings because they are very colorful. Question number 3. What can the myna do? The answer is, the myna can sing and fly high in the sky. Question number 4. Do you think the fish was really happy to be in the water? The answer is yes. The fish was really happy to be in the water as she can swim in it with its fins. Question number 5. Fill in the blanks using the hint words given below. The words are hope, roar, swim, fly. 1. If I were a kangaroo, I would hop. If I were a tiger, I would roar. If I were a fish, I would swim. If I were a bird, I would fly. I hope, children, you all enjoyed the poem and the exercises. Now, for your homework, what you have to do is that you have to learn the poem by heart, the new words and their meanings, the basic words and the question answers, and write them in your notebook.